So you can see from this thrust motor what thrust is going for to replicate that Logitech K780 round button feel. Unfortunately here they made the buttons just a little bit too small. It's very easy to miss them if you're not very good at typing and you don't know where the keys are. Same as the Logitech, separating the enter button and making it two different buttons. Overall plastic feel. Oh, this is just too cheap. If you're looking for a replacement for a cheaper version of the Logitech K780, then this is not it. I hope this video gives you an idea, just a little bit of info while I'm doing some shopping or research. Take care, bye.